How to shade every 10th row in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel, then click on triangle at the top left, which is above 1 and beside A. Click on it, which will select all the sheet. After that, click on fill at the top. Make sure you select the shade you want every 10th row to be. After you have done that, click on conditional formatting at the top. In here, click on new row. After that, in here, simply click on use a formula to determine which cells to format. And then in format values, type in equals and then mod bracket open row open bracket, close bracket, comma, 10 and close bracket, and press on format at the bottom. In here, make sure there is no color at the top and press on OK at the bottom. After that, press on OK again and you're good to go. As you can see, every 10th row is shaded, and this is how to shade every 10th row in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.